got this. This is the mounting bracket for the pod here, like so, but it doesn't give us enough articulation, so we gotta modify it just a little bit. Stand by. Sink some screws in it real fast. Alright, we're ready to mount up. Another thing, when you print these, I printed with supports. So I have these supports inside here I need to bust out in order to make this work. Ready to go. And here's our 3D printed gauge pod. One of the other ones is going to go right there once I remove the column. Air fuel on the left, boost on the right.